guys, welcome back to our channel. If you don't know our channel's name, then it is Rajdeep Acharya. And if you don't know Rajdeep Acharya is my father. So today we are not making any tea light. Today we are going to make a handmade raffia bag with handmade gift raffia bag. So to so if you if you like this video, please like and subscribe for our new videos. Please share it. So if you are going any birthday parties or any party, and if you don't know what to give, then it is a very useful video for you. And if you go on a kid's birthday, then it is a very useful video. So when we make it, we will also decorate it. So inside of it, by after making it, if you go on any your friends or kids birthday, then you can put some chocolates, toffees, juices. So now let's get started to see how to make it. For making it, you need a tall or a short candle. Or a champagne bottle. You have many options. We have not and we don't have any tall candle, so we are going to make with an short candle. So first we will cut out a circle like this. Like this you have to cut it. Like this you have to cut it. For you come to know about how to put candle on it.
ये नीचे का बेस है.
This is the base. This is the under base of the candle of the bag. Sorry. So we will make the bag with that raffia. Like that you have to cut the base.
अब इसके ऊपर
Now put the candle on it. Put the candle upside down. Do it like this. Now press the base and put on sellotape. Like this on all the cuts that we have made. Guys, please like and subscribe and share this video. If you share this to your friends, to your relatives, to your neighbors, then you will help us very much, and they will also get some ideas for Diwali. So if you want to know how did we made the tea lights, then you can search dried coconut shell tea light making made by Rajdeep Acharya. Then you can see how to make that. So we have put the sellotape on all the sides of the candle. Now take the shrinking paper and put it on like this. Now put some glue It's very hot. Be careful, don't burn yourself. Like this you have to do. Also put the tape on the under of it. If you get some problem, then I will do it like this. We have done it. Now cut out the extra. Now take the glue. Now take the raffia. It will take a minute. It will take some time, but we are doing it fast. Now we have glued it. To glue it like this. You can also take some golden rope, but it has to be decorative rope. We don't have any, so we are taking this raffia. You can find those decorative ropes in any decorative shop or any stationery. Press it. Now put some glue on the sides and now roll the candle and just glue on. Roll the candle and take the raffia. It will glue on by itself.
कैमरा को घुमा कर दिखाया करो, हाथ की तरफ।
Now roll the candle. It will be like this after rolling. You have to do the process. See, to do the process just like this. Do it just like this. I hope you all can see now. it's taking.
करते हैं क्या कैसे करते हैं?
We also do gift packings during platter making. So trousseau packing class. We also take classes. So we will post demo videos on Saturday and Sunday only.
Weekend.
On the Saturday and Sunday because these are weekends. So that's why we will post these on Saturday and Sunday. So you all can make these on your home.
घर बैठ के भी सीख सकते हैं.
If you can also learn by sitting at home. My father is a really good teacher of creativity. Well, this is a very useful craft for all of you because we all know that after lockdown there are your parents' birthday, so you can make these at your home. If you don't have material, don't worry, you will find ropes and glue gun and glue sticks on stationery shop. It can also be done by Fevicol. And I know that all of us keep Fevicol on home. In home, it's taking much time, I know. We are doing from glue gun because it will be fast by doing from glue gun. The process is continuous like we are doing. You just have to put the glue and just put the raffia on the glue. I hope you all can see this clearly. Guys, please like and share and subscribe our channel, and after subscribing please click the bell icon so you will came to know our new when our new videos are coming. So it's almost done, just it will take some more time. And if you don't know, and I know you all know my father's name, and if you don't know my name, then it is Aditya Acharya. I am 10 years old and I am studying in 7th class right now in my online classes. So it has done. We have made a small, but it's okay. You can also make some big. Now pull it out. It will take some stress. It will be hard, but it will get pulled out. Just take off the shrinking sheet. Then the bag will already come out. It will some hard, but the bag will come out, I know, because we have already made, and we have think that we will also make, then we have thought that we will also post this bag making on YouTube or Facebook account. So it has come out, but it's still taking some time. I know my dad is So after coming out, this will be look like this. Wow, this is looking good, but after decorating it will look very good. Cut off the extra shrinking sheet.
अब बनाएंगे इसके हैंडल.
Now we will make this handle. See guys, this is looking very beautiful. But after making the hole, it will be look very beautiful. For making the handle, you will just need raffia. Because the raffia is the main thing, we are taking the raffia only. Just like this, you have to put the handle. Be careful this time. Hope you don't burn yourself. Because the glue is so hot, we are doing it very carefully. Let's do it carefully. Now put the glue. Keep it like, do it like this. Don't burn yourself, be careful. I'm telling you one more time. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it and comment down below of how many of which of other things we make. So see guys, it will be look like this.
अब करेंगे पर
Now we will do some decoration. For decoration, we will need some artificial flowers, paps, and some green artificial leaves. So let's see how to decorate it. First, cut off the lower part of it. Now put the leaves, glue on the leaves like that. See guys, it will be look like this. I'm telling you one more time, don't burn yourself. Because after that will be not our responsibility. Take these type of two flowers and glue it on the end of the leaves like this. Like this you have to glue. See guys, you have to do it like this. Now take the paps, set the grass and glue it on the grass and the leaves like this. Take two colors of any paps. We have a pink color, so we are taking of pink color paps.
ये उसको स्पेस कर देंगे क्या पर्पस यूज हो सकता है चॉकलेट.
You, if you want to give anyone, if you want to gift someone this, then you can put some toffees, chocolates, appies, or some juices like this, or chocolates.
ये सैंपल वगैरह डालना है तो बड़ा साइज का।
if you want to give champagne, then it has to be of big size from any champagne bottle or from any tall candle. So decorate it like this. Here we have decorated the bag and it's looking very, very beautiful. Wow. If it we have make it for a baby, or you can also keep a candle in it, but be careful. So from one candle we have made a bag, a gift bag. So I hope that you like this video. So please like, subscribe and share this video. Please guys, please. And after subscribing, please hit that bell icon so you can to know when our videos are coming. So see you in next video. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.